Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Jeromekeys Music. So today I want to show you something special, how you can play worship with your saxophone and also your strings at the left and your saxophone on the right. So we have so many kind of saxophone on this keyboard, Yamaha PSR E363. Yeah. So we have so many worship. So the voice I'm going to show you today, I'm not using this saxophone on 70. We have so many saxophones here. I'm not using this one. This one is okay, but I'm not using this soprano sax. I'm using the one at 146. Yeah. So you go to your function, go to your main volume, put it to 127, then you reduce the octave to -1. You can see. So I'm using a dual voice together with the soprano sax. So I'm using my trumpet sound. Go to your trumpet sound. Let's locate our trumpet. I'm not using the main trumpet here on 81. I'm not using the main trumpet. So let's locate our trumpet sound. Locate our trumpet sound on 399. Yeah. This is my trumpet sound on 399. So you go to your dual volume, set your volume at 50. Then you set your octave at -1. You can on your dual here. You can hear the sound. Then your split volume. On your left, I'm using my SYN strings. So you go to your function here. You increase it to 127. You can on the dual here. You can listen to it. So let me just play worship, an erotic worship. Let me just solo it so you know. So when you can use this worship voice, you can use it during ministration. When the pastor is ministering, you can be just solo a song slowly. You can be soloing a song slowly during ministration. So it's very nice. You can try it. It's very nice. So thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. Please don't fail to subscribe. Thanks and God bless you.